I sent them home today to consider whether they were prepared to accept the rules of and regulations of the school. I said to them that if they were, they would be accepted back and received back gladly. But if they didn't return tomorrow, then I would understand their decision and would accept it, that they felt that their social obligations were greater than the loyalty they owed to the school.
This was an ultimatum then, was it?
This was not an ultimatum. This was a request for them to assess their position with regard to their age, their size, the image and the traditions of the school.
But isn't the length of their hair rather a tiny issue where such larger things are concerned? Who decides anyway what is long hair?
The regulation is that hair will be short. The final arbiter in the length of the hair is myself. I am as much against skinheads as I am against people with very long hair.
Well, this is Julian Hartley, one of the boys who had to leave the school this morning. How did you feel about what the head had to say this morning?
Well, I think it's wrong because the length of your hair has nothing to do with the work in school. How are you going to work in the school, eh?
He is the headmaster. Don't you think he's within his rights to say how long it can be?
Not really, no.
But he told me that this is one of the school rules, that hair must be short.
Well, as long as it's clean and tidy, I don't see it's up to you of your hair. It's an individual choice.
Well, here you are at home this afternoon, twiddling your thumbs. What are you going to do about it?
I've already had a cut this morning.
You what?
Had a cut this morning.
Let's have a look at it. Turn around a bit. It still looks quite long to me. Do you think the head will let you back tomorrow?
The ought to.
You think you ought to?
So.